So I went live on YouTube and the analytics actually showed me something big about content creation. And I think if you watch this video all the way to the end, it will help you as well. I am JR Mr. Eagle Vision, and I help Kingdom content creators grow on social media. All right, so we're going to get into it, y'all. Y'all already know that um, I'm in this growing phase of things as well. So, of course, I took a few notes about what I learned. They actually I went on to it's called the YouTube Studio, and I clicked on the analytics for my last live, and I want to read off some of the things that they said. Um, as they reviewed my last live. So they said my impressions were up. And so when it says impressions are up, that basically means that YouTube pushed my contents. I had higher impressions more than usual. That's basically like my views and everything. The algorithm tested the video and the topic had potential. I think it was something like morning motivation and social media tips. It was something like that. But they also said that, um, so that's a good thing. Sometimes your content is getting seen, but people are not staying. Okay. So that leads me into my next tip, which is the retention. They said that the average watch time was low. They said that the viewers got in there and they left early. People move fast online, so that's why the hooks matter. All right. And then they said that what I did was I started this video and I started off singing um before I even introduced the topic. They said the viewers wanted immediate value to learn the lesson. So if I'm going to do this, they said you can go in, tell your topic, and then go into sing and then go back into what you're going to be teaching about. And so that would honestly probably help them to stay longer. Okay, good intentions don't automatically create retention. That's good right there. Just because I had good intentions to encourage them, that don't mean they're going to stay. So they said that the packaging matters, titles matter, thumbnails matter, replays matter. People click emotions and curiosity. So they said I have to stop hiding. This is not luck. Your content matters. Sometimes it's not your message, it's the packaging. So my message was good, but the way I packaged it up could have been done a little better. Okay. Engagement needs to happen early. So on this live stream, they said that I need to ask questions early. I need to interact sooner. I need to create community fast. So when you get in those lines, don't just be lollygagging on those live streams. Don't be just lollygagging around. You need to create engagement with your audience. All right. You can ask stuff like, where are people watching from? What platform are you growing on? Are you a creator or an entrepreneur? Then it says, do not quit. Why? Because this is the learning stage. This is the learning stage. And I honestly believe that. And I'm so excited. I can't quit. I cannot quit. As you notice, I put out videos every day. I make sure I'm giving some value. I make sure I'm learning. I'm telling y'all what I'm at on the journey. I will not quit. And I pray that you don't quit either. Every video teaches you something. Beginners most or must learn the analytics. You must learn the analytics. Where are people watching from? How long are they watching? How good did your title do? And you can look at these analytics through your YouTube Studio. You can look at these analytics through your YouTube Studio. You cannot quit. Again, this is the learning stage. Every low view is data. So you got to post. You have to post so they can see what your data and your analytics are doing. All right. Many creators get discouraged. I feel you. Don't get discouraged. All right. Low views feel so personal. It's nothing against you. And you're quitting too early. You have to keep posting. Give it 30, 90 days, 30, 60 days. Okay. So the goal is not to be embarrassed by the data, the goal is to grow from it. Ooh, y'all. I was surely embarrassed this morning when I read the overview of my channel. They was like, "You was singing too early." I'm like, "Dang, y'all remembered everything that I was doing." But it's to grow from it. So now I know when I get on, I'm going to open up with a hook. Then I might sing and give some inspiration. Then I'm going to go automatically into my teaching points. They're pushing it, y'all. They're pushing it. So that's a good thing. I may need to, make sure my title's good. My thumbnail is going to be good, but the most important thing is to try to get this retention. And so, with that, I know that I have to get in there, let them know what it is that I do, maybe go into singing and then go into teaching. And then you always want to engage your audience. Okay. So, I want you to know I'm not quitting, and I want you not to quit. I'm learning, I'm adjusting, and I am growing. Look, if you are a beginning content creator, that's what you should be doing too. I don't want you to quit. I want you to keep going. So, look, I want you to let me know where you're at on this journey. Okay. If you're going to stay to it, I need you to let me know that you're committed by telling me in the comments that you're committed to this growth. And y'all already know if you're on this journey with me, if you're beginning kingdom content creator, look, I need you to like, follow, share, and subscribe. I always say this, the more that you all engage, the more it helps me show up. Although I'm going to show up with or without you because I know I got to do it. I want you to be on this journey with me. So let me know in the comments where you're at. All right, Mr. Eagle Vision, and I'm out.